April 17th, 2024. We got a limping Kaboom because it was unhooked again. Probably 2 weeks ago is when they did this one. Last week they did the king and unhooked them. At least they tied this one back up. It wasn't properly, and all the trash is leaking when the tide goes out. We're going to see if we can stop all of this. It's supposed to be tied up right here. They tied it up down there because it's just easier, and they don't get it up far enough to protect the rope. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Because right now, when the tide goes out, it pushes it all right through the gap on the end here. And I'm probably going to hurt my back again like I've done so many times tying this thing back. If they just would have left it, it would have been perfect. Aye. This is where I could use the extra help. It's hard to get this thing tied up and on the PVC and then get the right rope tightened, but let's see what we can do here. Sun's coming that way. I gotta put the camera here. There we have it. Whether it'll stay or not, I don't know. That one over there slipped behind, but at least it's holding it close and it's got a net. This is the way it was originally designed. Let's hope it holds. I've wired this thing tight so many times. Here it's wired here. I got wires up here, and they just cut the rope around it. Well, at least that should work. Not too much will escape. Still needs a skirt on that end. Be nice to get the twists out of it. It needs to be pulled out and rebuilt and put back to what it was before they tore the skirt off and twisted the tires. That's about it for now. Just going out. And that was my morning. Another salvage of one of our Kabooms. What a mess, huh?